Hey guys, I would like to give you a quick little tour of our space and our classroom. So come and let's check it out. So here is our front desk and the classroom is right over here. And this is where you're gonna be learning everything you need to know about eyelash extensions. I also offer permanent makeup trainings as well, and that's something if you're interested in, let me know. So this is the classroom, so we only have 4 chairs, so it's only for 4 students at a time. Your trainer will present the presentation here right on the TV for you. And then we also offer here some beverages and coffee, and usually we have snacks as well. And some pretty pictures of lashes, different lashes, and it's exactly the same lashes that you're gonna be receiving from us. Classics, hybrids, volumes. And you'll get a nice kit and a mannequin head. Everything's included in your class, so you wouldn't have to go and buy all of that. And then after you practice on a mannequin and study everything from the book, we're gonna head right over here where we are going to practice on people. So you'll have a model laying here with the trainer together doing her lashes. And we do have another table for another student, so 2 students will be able to practice at the same time. So here we'll just practice putting the lash extensions on and taking them off. And then if you feel like you need more training or you want to complete a full procedure with the trainer one-on-one, just let us know. Why am I not focusing? And then we can sign you up for another day, schedule that together, and you can come in and do another full session one-on-one with one of our trainers. Well, I hope this tour helped a little bit. Please let us know if you have any questions, concerns, or if you're ready to sign up. Email us, let us know, and let's get in touch. All right, bye.